So friends, in this video, I will tell you exactly how you can make AI object talking viral videos without any skills. And it's completely free in just a few minutes. You know how? Keep watching. So welcome to AI Agent Studio. Here we explore the world of AI agent and automation projects, tools, resource for all things AI and AI agents. So subscribe now, it's free, and click the bell icon for latest AI updates. Let's start today's video. First step. First of all, you have to go to ChatGPT, and on the left side, you will find the option of apps. Click on it. After this, here on the right side, you will find the option of GPTs. Click on it and search for Object Talk here. And now you can see the first option. We have to select Object Talk and click on Start Chat. Now friends, here you have to write the name of the object with which you want to make a video of talking. For example, I will write Mustang car here. Now ChatGPT will now write all the information it has about the Mustang car here. It will also provide us with a text-to-image prompt with the script. After this, simply guys, you have to copy the text prompt of the image and go to Grok AI. Go to the Imagine tab, select the Image tab, select the ratio as per your wish, and the text prompt which you had copied from the image. You have to simply paste it here. In a few seconds, it will generate many images of our object. Here you can see whichever one you like, select it, and download it. Like I select this image and download it. To download the image, you just need to click on this button, and it will be downloaded. After this, you have to go back to the ChatGPT and copy the script. Go back to Grok AI and select Video tab. After this, you have to select the image of the object which you had downloaded here, and just paste the script here. And click on the Generate button, and friends, if you want, you can call anything from your object. You just have to input it here. Our object talking video will be ready in a few seconds.
I'm not just a car, I'm a roar on wheels. Respect the throttle or get left behind in smoke.
So friends, this is how you can make object talking videos. For another example, now we will make an object talk video of a cell phone. For this, we will just write here, this cell phone. And here you have to copy the text to image prompt again and go to the Grok AI. Select the image tape, select the ratio, simply paste it, and click on the generator. And here you have to download the image of any object that you like, and then select the Video tab again and copy-paste the script. After selecting the image of the object, just click on the Generate button. And in a few seconds, our object talking video will be ready.
I'm not just a phone, I'm your entire digital life. Photos, messages, maps, memories, all inside me. But drop me once, and suddenly everyone panics.
So friends, in this video, we saw how you can easily make such object talking viral videos without any skill. If you are facing any problem in anything, then just comment and I will help you. This is all there is in this video. See you